Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the WOOHSE pull-out kitchen sink faucet. It is a single handle high arch kitchen faucet with 2-mode pre-rinse, 360-degree swivel, high arch single handle solid brass kitchen faucet. Yeah, that it is, and it comes by WOOHSE. I like it because it is good quality for a cheaper price out there. You have here a high quality solid brass, it's the best material for kitchen faucets, which provides enhanced leak thickness. The chrome finish helps your faucet perform like new for life. Multifunctional Outlet Water Effect, 3-way spray settings, stream, spray, and pause. The stream for filling water, the spray for rinsing, pause for avoiding splashing in multitask mode. Providing stable water pressure makes cleanup easier. You have a pull-down faucet here, the high arc 360-degree swivel spout for full thing, access and superior clearance. Pull out sprayer and your high pressure while still saving our water. You have a single handle mode, easy control of hot and cold water and flow volume, updated mechanical retraction system with 420 gram gravity bore, makes pull down sprayer head always sit into the original place after the use automatically. And it is an easy installation thing. 3/8-inch flexible connection hoses can be connected to all standard hot and cold water pressure system out there. Yeah. Really awesome, this thing. It looks really nice. You have 2 water modes. You can switch the water button. 2-in-1 kitchen water faucet, stream and spray. Splash prevention, water cleaning, upgraded stream and spray water purification. 2-in-1 space in more convenient. Then maximum drawable length of the pull device is 600 millimeters, and the head you can rotate 360. Class A 5.9 copper using an net lead treatment process. Environmentally safe and healthy. Oh yeah, it's good stability to generate corrosion. Class A 5.9 copper using a net lead treatment process, environmentally safe and healthy. Really awesome. It has good stability to generate corrosion. This is good. You have a good fashionable rotating handle. You can use hot and cold. Switch this transfer easily. It has a ceramic valve core, 500 time. No damage. It is tested. Really awesome. And it's easy to install. I will show you in a different video how to install this thing. But now I will give you some information about it, how to use it. Before the installation, the technical requirements are the water supply pressure is 0.05 millipascal up to 0.8 millipascal. These are 0.5 bar up to 8 bar. These are standard. I think you will have this too in your kitchen. If water supply pressure exceeded 0.8 millipascal or 8 bar, a pressure reducing valve must be fitted before this installation. The water supply temperature is maximum of 80 degrees Celsius. This is standard too. Clean the water supply pipe before installation, the angle valve to ensure that the pipe is clean, because the pipe fouling can damage the spool, causing blockage or water leaking. So this is the first thing what you have to do after opening the package. Then control everything. Because if you disassemble your old faucet, it's not so nice if here is a missing part, isn't it? So check this first. And if you can see everything what I showed you here in this video, you're on the safer side. You will need a faucet. You will 2 water inlet hoses. You will need on each connection 1 rubber, of course. Then you have the clamp pressure thing on the bottom side, and of course you will need what it is, this heavy thing to get back the pull out thing. Okay, so first prepare all your installation tools. You will need I think you will need only need a screwdriver for it, because on the bottom side there is a big ring which you can adjust to your board, and then the last centimeters you can use by not drilling the hole. You have to tighten the screws. That it is. I think that is enough, because the connections, the water pipe connections, you can perform with your hand. I do this because if you use a tool for it, maybe it's broken because it's so much pressure. So then you have to check the main valve or the water supply is closed. This is really important. Use a waterproof tape or a wrap, and do this a few turns in the clockwise direction on the thread of the faucet. This is very important. The direction of the waterproof tape must be tangled clockwise. If the wine reversely, it will leak, which means that the direction of the waterproof tape winding is opposite of the direction of the faucet thread. Through the faucet clockwise on the interface of the water pipe and tighten with a wrench over the hand. Okay, this you have to think about. I'm using my hand because of the damage thing. Connect the draw tube and then insert the gravity ball according to the turns. The position of the gravity ball will directly affect the pulling distance and the pulling force. Please adjust the position according to the actual situation at your home. Open the main valve of the water supply, and then normal water can be used. It's really easy, but I will show you in a different or extra video of it, and then it's so easy. It's really easy. When using, it not need to use with a great force, just fitting lightly or turn the handle to switch so as not to cause product damage by excessive effort. Stains on the surface of the faucet can generally be wiped off with a soft cotton cloth or with a mild liquefied cleaner, or a colorless glass cleaner, for example. Do not use acids, abrasive cleaners to avoid damaging the surface finish. If you find that water flow of the faucet is insufficient or there is no water in use, please check if the hot and cold water pressure is normal. If it is normal, please turn off the faucet and remove the faucet's blubber. And check this. Maybe there are blocked something by debris. After cleaning, it can be used normally. If this method is invalid, please turn off the hot and the cold water source. Unscrew the water inlet hose connector. Check whether the inner hole of the pipe is blocked, maybe, and it can be used normally after cleaning. If it's still invalid, then you will need a professional hydropower maintenance worker or require for maintenance at yourself. This is really easy to install. There are so less problems with a faucet like this. I think you can handle this because I can handle this. So you have here a type. It's a pull-out kitchen faucet. The finish is chrome. The main body material is brass, zinc alloy handle. The spray head is high-quality ABS plastics. The valve is ceramic valve. The valve diameter is 35 millimeters. The water mode is steam, spray, and pause. The water feature is mix hot and cold. Product cross weight is 2 kilograms. Installation hole distance is 32 up to 33 millimeters. And the spool life is more than 500 times. 500,000 times. Sorry about that. The water pressure 0.5 up to 5 bar. And the working temperature is 0 to 80 degrees Celsius. And there are so much certifications on it. That means it is a good product. CE and ROS and SGS. Hot and cold hose is DVGW. The chromatic spool is KTW tested. Everything is fine. So that it is the WOOHSE pull-out kitchen sink faucet. Single handle. Really awesome device. I will show you in a different video how to attach it. This was a theoretic way to install it. You can choose. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.